To view product availability, you need to be logged into your account, then navigate to any product category or manufacturer page. Each item has its own availability table broken down by region and shows the exact quantities available now and also the next available quantity from future inbound shipments. The quantities are pulled directly from our back-end system in real time, so are always up to date and accurate. The next quantities in the right-hand column are the total available inventory due to be received in the first month we expect delivery into each region. The quantity showing as available takes into account orders in our system that have a future ship date and will be fulfilled out of our next inbound delivery, so are an accurate reflection of available product from that shipment. Next to each row in the table where there is either current or future availability is an info tooltip. Hovering over the tooltip displays the breakdown of availability at each warehouse within that region for added visibility and transparency. The same availability display is also available once you click into a product to the detail page. Here, each region is expandable to display the availability at individual warehouse locations. The next available quantities and dates in the expanded section are based off the first inbound quantity we expect to receive and the estimated date. If the quantities don't add up to the next quantity of the region, it is because there will be more than one delivery due to one of the locations. In addition, for solar panels, we have a higher level view of general availability going further into the future on the PV stocking strategy page. This can be found under Tools and Solutions in the header navigation, or from the solar panels page, then toggling the slider to display the stocking strategy view. In simple terms, the color-coded bars show when we expect to start receiving new panel models and when we believe we will start transitioning away from that product. The period in green represents a time of consistent inbound supply but doesn't guarantee availability, which is subject to demand. These tools are designed to give our customers insights to help them manage their ordering and to assist with inventory planning conversations with your account manager. If you don't see availability of the product you need, always check first with your account manager, as it's possible additional inventory could be available.